Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions, and I wanted to take the time to point out a few things that you need to increase the value of your company and get your website some more exposure on Google, which will give you more leads, more customers, and increase your sales and bring more value to your business. A few things that you need are content, backlinks, and citations. Now I have your website pulled up here, which says there's an error, page not found. So let's get into this a little bit. First, let's understand every time you type something into Google, these are considered keywords, keywords for a search. And Google uses these keywords to look for websites that best fit your search criteria with the content that they have in them. Search engine optimization is what this is called. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content that's relevant to these keywords. And then they categorize these websites based on that. And that's how you start to establish rank. Of course, you have ads here at the top. Another ad. This is the map section, the map pack. Getting here on the map is through citations, name, address, and phone number, and having a Google business profile. It's important to have a Google business profile so you can link your citations to it and show the relevant areas that you want to service so people can find you easily. When someone Googles restaurant near me or tree service near me, the map pops up right here, and it's a great way to get more exposure quickly. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Everything underneath the map is considered organic ranking. So having the right content on your web page with the keywords that are being typed in helps Google rank you underneath the map with the correct content. Aside from advertisements like Yelp or Angie or Manassas Tree Care, Tree Services, you need a web page. So we have clearcutterstree.net. He's actually here on the first page. He's number 6 underneath these ads. So what we need to understand is that backlinks, content, and citations is what puts you here. Now, of course, you have your web page. And so I put in your competitor or your competition's web page, who's on the first page of Google, and I'll show you in this tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs, and this is a tool that I can use to see what's going on with the competitors or a website in general. And when it comes to backlinks, backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. It's important to have quality backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to have a strong domain rank and some decent amount of traffic that's coming into this site that's linking back to you. Google uses that to build trust in you. It's like an endorsement. It validates your website. It creates the ranking process or contributes to the ranking process. Another thing that we also need here is keywords. Keywords is what Google is looking for in your content and what is relevant to what you typed in. So here, Tree Service Manassas, what keywords are within the content of that website and how they rank it. Now understand keywords, the amount of volume per month that these particular words get searched. Clean cut tree service, 500 times a month. Tree service Manassas, Virginia, 150 times a month. Cut tree service, 800 times a month. So this is how many times a month people are searching for this, and this is your potential exposure or your views to customers that can see your website, potential customers, potential leads. It's important to have what they're looking for, and it will establish more trust within Google search, moving you to the first page. Citations are name, address, and phone number. Again, like I said, now understand out of these 89 keywords that he has in there, he's getting 98 views a month. and that's got him right there on the first page, generating more leads and more customers. When you put all of this content together in backlinks and citations, you start to outrank. You will move quickly up onto the first page. You will generate more exposure. Of course, that's obviously more revenue. And with that being said, I hope you have a little more of an understanding of how a website works and how they get to the first page of Google. And with a well-built website, you can understand the value that it can bring to you. Many companies build beautiful websites, but they'll fall short when it comes to the content or the keywords that are needed for what's being searched, and you'll fall short without the correct content. It's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. You just won't be seen. So I wanted to take the time and explain that to you. I hope you have a better understanding. If you wanted some more information, we could talk, maybe find out some realistic goals for your business. And with that being said, I hope you have a great day.